This year's fall bird migration comes with a special meaning for one group of avid bird watchers in the Northland. Dozens will be turning their eyes to the sky with a special message for a friend who impacted so many and was taken too soon.
Today is not the birdiest day, but they will come.
Birds of a feather truly do flock together.
We want to honor her.
These fine folks soaring into September as they remember a life lost too soon.
Anne Redolphs was an amazing person.
The grounds of Glensheen Mansion setting the stage for the first annual Anne Redolphs bird count.
She was so kind to me and so interested in me. I had no idea that she had this whole other life.
Anne passed away on April 18th of 2020, the sudden loss striking those she touched during her time on Earth with great sadness.
She had so many friends that were birders and were hikers, and many of them were elderly. They wanted to do something special. And so we talked to Glensheen and said, well, let's do a bird count, and they loved the idea.
As the fall migration gets underway, the honorary 10-day event invites those who knew Anne and those who did not to connect and converse while enjoying feathered friends and the great outdoors.
So we're seeing chickadees and wrens and sparrows, and there's a lot of those.
I would encourage everybody to come out because the grounds are so beautiful, the paths are so beautiful, the woods are beautiful. Waxwings are always down on the lake. And
having previously taught a class at UMD, birder Barbara Ockery knows a thing or two about birding for beginners.
Fall birding is a little bit more challenging.
With thick foliage and steady winds, those participating in the bird count will be busy, documenting while keeping Anne's passion alive.
It's right down on the lake, which is what it funnels the birds by Duluth, and so it's a good place to be.
The peace and tranquility on the grounds of Glensheen Mansion providing the perfect place to rejuvenate.
To honor Anne, we know for sure we're going to plant a tree in her name on her birthday.
From new trees to migration totals, both Cheryl and Barbara know their friend is smiling down as her legacy lives on.
She was much more, I understand, than just a birder. She was highly interested in conserving natural resources and supporting efforts to mitigate climate change. I learned a lot about her through this event, and that in itself was fun.
In Duluth, with photojournalist Adam Jeganich, Brett Scott, Fox 21 Local News. Duluth Mayor Emily Larson will declare Anne's birthday September 13th as Anne Redolphs Day. If you would like to take part in the fall bird migration count in honor of Anne, the grounds of Glensheen Mansion will be free for you to enter. For more information, visit us at fox21online.com.